Hello, nice to see you again on the CrocFix channel. I'm gonna show you today how to replace your microphone on your Redmi 13C smartphone. If you need any parts or tools, I have provided the links in the video description. Just click here on More under the video and you will see the links. And then you just click on the link and then you can access the parts. You can buy them directly here. So this is our Xiaomi Redmi 13C and the phone is not charging, and the problem is also with the microphone. So let's go and replace the bottom microphone. At first we need to heat up the back cover here a little bit with the heat gun. Don't use too much heat as this is made from plastic, so I would suggest maybe around 160 degrees Celsius for a minute or two. Once this is heated up, you can take a suction cup and try to lift up the plastic. It probably won't work because of this sticker here, so you can slightly remove the sticker so your suction cup has a better place. Then you try to open it up, or at least to make a gap here between the plastic and the frame. You need to come here inside with some plastic card here. You can help yourself with your fingernail. If it doesn't work, don't worry. Then take your pry tool, which you can also order online. I have provided the links in the video description. Just a second. So then you need to go here in between and try to lift up here this plastic. You can also try on the side and then take a little bit of alcohol, pour it in so it will soften up the glue. And then you lift up this plastic a little bit. Don't use too much force or don't cut too much, as there are some antennas inside which could be broken. So the next step is you hold this with your fingernails here, so you still feel the gap. Then you put in here this plastic card. And then you go around and try to cut the leftover of the plastic glue. Not the plastic glue, the double-sided adhesive. So we go and cut this through. Then you try to lift here a little bit. And again, this is made really from thin plastic, so you see it's almost like paper. Then you can lift up here from that side and just like forcefully pull it back here a little bit and just go up here like this. Okay, Perfect. There we go. So the double-sided adhesive is still here on the back cover, on the plastic cover, so I would just leave it on it, because later it will still hold this plastic on the back. The phone is not waterproof anyway. Now we go and disassemble all these screws here on the top and the bottom. Okay, so the next step will be take out here this SIM card tray. Okay, now I will zoom out a little bit. Now we need to separate this middle frame from the screen frame here. So let's start here where the SIM card tray was and try to make a gap here with your fingernail. Don't break it. It's a little bit more fragile here, so carefully. And then you take a pry tool, a plastic pry tool, and you go around for making the clicking sounds to disassemble the frame here. Hold your phone firm. Don't let it fall out of your hands. Carefully here, there might be some cables where the buttons are, so don't go too deep inside. And that's it. So there is one flex cable here, so be carefully, just let's check out where it's connected. So it's connected here. You see? Don't take it too fast out, otherwise you could crack this flex cable. So now we take one tool here, just a moment, one plastic tool. And with the plastic tool you disconnect here this one. There we go. Now we can lift up here this middle frame and put it by side. So the next step is disconnect the battery. We don't want to make any short circuit. Okay, and then we go to the bottom here and lift up here this bottom speaker. Just carefully here, like you go from the side, and carefully lift it up like this. Okay, we put this by side. Now we are gonna disconnect this flex cable, and then with my tweezers, because there is no more battery connected, we can use metal tweezers now and carefully disconnect here the antenna. Now we are going to lift up here this from the frame, this charging port. So the best is always to start somewhere here and try to lift up with your fingernails if you can, a little bit. Watch out here at this place. And you can also put this cable by side, the antenna you put by side here. And then try to lift up here from that place. There we go, you see? So it's going. Here there is some double-sided adhesive with this conductive or not conductive tape, which you just untape. And that's it. So successfully removed. Now let's go and put a new one. If you need to order the parts or tools, the links are in the video description. So we take the new one now. Watch out here for the tape. Put it in place. So gently press it inside and then down. Okay, connect here this tape, then the cable, the flex cable. Put the antenna back in the canal here and connect it to the main board. This we can put by side. So everything is connected. The antenna is connected. Now let's go back to the top. We connect back the battery. Okay. And then we put back the main speaker, the bottom speaker here in place. Perfect. So now we take the middle frame back and connect it. Firstly, let's watch out where the flex cable is and first connect the flex cable here. So you can do this by lifting it up a little bit, put it to the left side. Then you can, with some tweezers here, just hold, don't touch here anything with the tweezers, it's metal. Or you can just leave it, hold this, and then you go with your finger from the left side and connect it here to the frame, to the main board, I'm sorry. So, just a moment. Well, that's connected now, okay? Then you take the phone here and align the middle frame carefully and press it down to hear the clicking sounds. Then you know it's aligned and connected and bonded and beloved. Okay. Now let's go take the screws and screw this back together again. Okay, so now you take the phone and see if you still have leftovers of the glue here on it, and if it's still sticky, just watch out that you don't have any bumps like this. So if you have any bumps, just cut them out. It must be nice and even, otherwise it won't hold. So this we cut through, cut out, there we go. The same you check here on the phone frame. If there is some material which needs to go away, you need a nice surface. This seems to be pretty alright for me. Then you can try to stick this back together as it was. If you don't have any leftovers, or if you pulled out the glue, just take some T7000 or any other glue for phone repair. You can find them in my video description. Then you just pour it here around, or here on the frame, and here around the camera circles, and you put it back here. So I'm pretty sure this should hold normally. As I said, the phone was not waterproof, so I will just put it back here in place. Press it firmly, like really a little bit stronger around. And then you can take here some plastic clips and put it on. And also don't forget to put back here the SIM card tray in position. So be sure to put it in the same place as it was. And as I said, some plastic clips which will hold here a little bit this glue together with the frame for maybe like 10 minutes. If you did put some glue on it, then leave it for at least 2 hours if you have time overnight, as it will dry up the glue. It depends always which glue you have. So let me know in the comments if you find this video helpful. You can say thank you. If you want to donate, the donation link is in my video description. And I hope to see you again in my new tech adventure and in my new video. So thanks for watching, your Crocfix.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.